Welcome to today's video. We have one ingredient, so it will be really quick because today we're going to be making whipped cream and it's going to be really quick. Before we start, I have to tell you something. We're going to use a hand mixer, so the attachments, you have to put them in the refrigerator for an hour before you use them. So let's get started. 270 milliliters of double cream, and even the cream has to be in the refrigerator. Now we get a hand mixer and we start whipping it. What took a very little time is finally finished. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoy it, and please put it inside any desserts that you like. It's gonna be really good. Thank you, bye.